Hello everyone, welcome back to NoTech. In this video, we can see how to handle the alerts in Selenium. Let's get started. We have three types of alerts. The first one is symbol alert, the second one is the prompt alert, and the third one is the confirmation alert. In this video, we can see about symbol alert. So this is the web page which we are going to write the script. Here we have the symbol alert, prompt alert, and confirmation alert examples. So let's start writing the script for symbol alert. So click on this button, so it will show the alert message. Then you need to click the OK button in the alert message. So let's start writing the script. Go to your package, right click, select new, and then select class. Give any name for the class. I am giving the name as symbol alert. And then select this checkbox and click on finish. Now as usual, launch the browser. WebDriver driver equal to new Firefox driver. Now import the WebDriver and Firefox driver. And then open the web page driver.get of URL. So inside double quotes, we need to copy this URL and paste here. Now we need to identify the element. So go to your web page. So we are clicking this show button and we will get the alert message here. So we need to identify the button element. So right click from this button, go to inspect. So this is our element. So here we have ID. So we can find the element by ID. Copy this ID value. Web element. Show me button equal to driver dot find element by dot ID, open bracket, inside double quotes, paste the ID value. So here we need to import the web element. Now, so we are clicking on this button, show button. So this show me button dot click. Now let's run the script. Right click, run as Java application. So here we got the alert window. Once we got the alert message, we need to click on this OK button. So let's see how to handle this. Usually while running the test script, the driver control will be on the browser window even after the alert is generated. So we need to switch the control from the current browser to the alert window. That is, so we need to switch the control from this web page to this alert window. So then only we can use the alert interface methods to perform the actions like accept the alert, dismiss the alert, or get the text from the alert window, etc. So now we need to switch the control from the browser to this alert window. So for that, in Selenium, we have an interface called alert. Alert, give any variable name, alert box equal to driver dot, we need to switch the control from the browser to the alert window. Driver dot switch to function dot alert window. Switching from browser to alert window, we have a function called alert. So now the control will be switched from the browser to the alert window. Here import this alert. Now the control is switched. Now we need to click on this OK button. So for that, we have another function called this variable alert box dot accept of. So this will automatically click on that OK button. We add a delay to, otherwise the script will run very fast. Now run the script again, run as Java application. Now after 5 seconds, automatically this alert will go. Yeah. Now we can see one more case. So click on this button and it will show an alert window. So here we have a text, I am symbol alert. So we can see how to get this text in our console. So go to your script. So before accept this alert window, we need to select a variable alert message equal to driver dot switch to that alert window alert of dot get text. So this is a function to get the text in the alert window, and we need to store this text in a string variable. Mouse over to this function and it will show where to store this value. So this is a string value, string alert message. Now print that value, system.out.println. Copy this variable and paste here. Now run the script. So we got the text from the alert message in our console. Hope you understand this. If you have any clarification, please mention in the comments. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.